fact that it's a 6-core processor means that it generates...
Just got it running, not even really set up yet.
It generates a ton of heat load and allows us to really differentiate the coolers for you guys, so you know which ones are genuinely better.
Really good. Works great.
Icy Diamond thermal compound on all the coolers to eliminate as many variables as we can, and also in the spirit of variable elimination,
it's my first one.
All coolers with Noctua NF F12 fans using their 7-volt adapters. The reason for this is that we were able to get the system to a noise level that we feel is appropriate.
Not done with it though.
Actually, listen to it there, Slick.
Got a bunch more, but it's working.
That is a quiet gaming rig.
I'm actually on YouTube right now watching Linus's new video.
And then we know how,
and
at
take
a noise
tips.
level that we appreciate, that cooler will
It's freaking awesome.
perform. So let's move along.
Let's see. I'll put it on 1080p.
Here, which is right here. So our idle temperatures, I have no idea what you're talking about. Oh yeah, there's a boom mic on the camera that Slick stuck the camera into the...
Hold on, let me... I think... What the French? Well, I don't know.
Thank you.
I clicked on his thing, so...
Yeah.
Subscription.
Okay,
so I guess it won't let me change the...
Because we were curious how Swiftech Helix fans perform,
what I'm watching, the definition I'm watching.
We decided to run the Swiftech H220 at full pump speed with the stock fans and see how it performed. It was right in there with an air cooler and some...
There we go. Well, maybe not.
This video is brought to you by our trusted partner...
Anyways, I'm gonna post this up, and y'all tell me what you think. The only thing I haven't figured out is the Corelix thing. I have flow meter. I have it hooked up, and it's not actually freaking powering up. So I don't know. I haven't really looked at it yet. And let me take this out. I'm so happy my dog is working. He's getting it. It's awesome. Okay, well anyways, and my USB 3s right here. Thanks.